So when going for Mummichog, which is a small little minnow that lives in estuaries like this, I'll use a small size 14 hook and a snail that I'll break and stick on this tiny little hook. Now what I'll do is I'll plop it down in front of whatever structure I have in that area. Give it a second, and there you go. There's one. It's not a bad little one there. I'll just unhook them after I've caught them, throw them right back in. They also make very good bait, these little fish. So sometimes I'll catch them and keep them for bait, and most of the time I'll just bring my little brother down who loves to fish and let him catch some. Here we go again. Give it a second down in the water. This is particularly murky water today, I don't know why. Give it a second, pull it tight, and there you go. It's another little one. A very pretty little fish. This is actually a banded Mummichog. Which looks slightly different from the speckled Mummichog, which I'll show you in a moment. So I'll get oh, missed one. Try again. To make sure it sinks slightly if it's on the surface. Most times they won't go for it. These little fish, they make very good bait. Oh man, they are eluding me now. I've got another little, what the heck? Oh man. As I was standing there, I realized that I had been standing on top of a wasp's nest. Right there. That is terrifying. I am not a big fan of wasps. Right over there is friendly little wasp colony. Or not. Okay, so that's how I catch Mummichog in the river.